Wondering how to make money answering questions from your phone? Stay tuned because I'm about to show you everything you need to get started with this new side hustle today. What's up guys, Spiro here, back with another video, and today I'm gonna show you how to make money sharing your wisdom and knowledge over the phone, both talking and texting with people that seek your help. There are a lot of ways to earn extra income. The key is in finding one that suits your schedule. That's why I'm today presenting you a new make money opportunity. It's an application called Fibbler. It's a free app that brings together a community of experts from all types of disciplines and industries, allowing users the ability to search and find someone who can provide help on a particular subject. Not only it's free, it's also super easy to use. To learn more about the app, I gave it a go myself. Just one thing before we go to the content, let me introduce you to my channel. Right there, my name is Spiro and I upload videos like this one showing you different methods to make money online and create passive income so eventually you can earn your freedom. Watch this space, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new video. Alright guys, it's time for making money. So we are over at fibbler.com. So this is an app that pays you every time people ask you for your advice. Regular people use Fibbler to seek help with particular subjects. It's really easy way. You can post your services online and get found. You can do many different things, like you can be a tutor, or you can do different online stuff, computers, you can be a tech guy, then you can become a trip advisor, or actually anything you're good with. You know what you're good with, right? For example, I've seen a lot of nurses on this platform, which makes me believe that a lot of older people are seeking sort of help from nurses using this app. Maybe they need an advice on medicine or something. The concept is whenever your phone rings, you make money. And now how it works. First, you have to download an app and install an app, obviously. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. You will have to confirm your account with your phone number, and then you'll fill out your profile and set your rates. And finally, as you provide the regular users with answers, which can be done via call, video, or chat, you're gonna get paid. It's important that you fully fill your profile because that way community knows exactly what you have to offer and what kind of teaching you provide. And they pay you $2 if you fill your profile within next couple of weeks. Thing is that this money can't be cashed out, but you can use it to test an app or maybe to call someone and get some advice. As you start to get requests and give advices, users will be able to rate their experience with you, as same as any other new app around. So this is very important thing for you because it can be anything, 1 to 5 stars. And like on many other platforms, this is going to help you get more work because people are probably seeking help from people that have proven and have more reviews, right? And better reviews, obviously. Now people are gonna ask me how much can we actually get paid by doing this. So looking over here, you can see that you can get paid per second based on a minute rate that you've set earlier. So for example, this call took 3 minutes 2 seconds and the cost of the call was $6.23. Best is that after the call, the earned amount will be added to your wallet balance and you can cash it out anytime to your bank account. You might be wondering, well, how will people find me? That's where Fibbler comes. It has a great search engine built in, so regular clients can filter by skills, rating, country and language. I really believe you should give a go to this app, especially if you're working from home or if you have a lot of free time. I also checked the app reviews. They have 4 stars at Play Store with some really good reviews and some not so good. So guys, before you jump on it, do your own due diligence and see if this money-making opportunity would work for you. It's obviously not gonna make you rich, but it could be a nice small side hustle, supplemental income, working from home. And with that being said, we've got to the end of this video guys. Smash the like and comment in the description below because it helps this video reach more people. Also, I'll make sure to leave 2 great money making opportunities on the right hand side cards. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and I'll see you again. Cheers, good luck.